Hello friends, this is Lutuf Ali. I welcome you to my channel. In this video, I'll talk about the most quoted writer of English literature, whose name is William Shakespeare. In my last video of this series on history of English literature, I talked about Elizabethan period and Renaissance in detail. And in this video, I'll talk about the most influential writer of that period. I'll discuss some important plays of Shakespeare which we don't study due to our graduation or post-graduation courses that include only one or hardly two plays of Shakespeare. We know some of his tragedies and comedies, but we don't focus on them in detail. So before starting my discussion on his works, let's talk about some facts of his life. When you ask someone about Shakespeare's works, one would definitely mention Hamlet, but very little know that Shakespeare had a son whose name was Hamnet, and Hamnet died in the age of 11. Many historians and critics believe that the death of Hamnet influenced Shakespeare, and under the influence he wrote the tragedy called Hamlet, where a father asks his son for a revenge. Another important fact of Shakespeare's life is that he worked with Globe Theatre. During Elizabethan period, there were several theatres opened, but the uniqueness of Globe Theatre was in its building. It was a very famous theatre because it was a three-story theatre and it was situated near Thames River. Apart from its building and location, Globe Theatre was famous because many important plays were performed there. And for that, one of the very great statements that T.S. Eliot wrote about Shakespeare is that Shakespeare's primitiveness makes him modern of moderns. This means that his selection of the subjects and characters was so unique that makes his writing as influential as modern writers. Shakespeare is normally regarded and known for his plays, but he was a sonneteer also. Shakespeare wrote around 154 sonnets. His sonnets are globally applauded. His sonnet number 18 is so beautiful that I always think about the depth of these lines. Shall I compare thee to the summer's day, thou art more lovely and more temperate? In his sonnet 116, he says, "Love is not love which alters when alteration finds." It means that when you love a person and that person turns out to be old and you feel you don't love him or her the same as you did before, that means you never loved that person. And in Sonnet 130, Shakespeare writes, "My mistress' eyes are nothing like a sun. Coral is more red than her lips." You see here that his style is unique. His sonnets are so remarkable that they are highly celebrated even today. So this was a short introduction to Shakespeare and his sonnets. Let's discuss the first important play written by Shakespeare. Two Gentlemen of Verona is the first play written by Shakespeare. This play is about two friends, Proteus and Valentine, who go to the court of Duke of Milan. They both fell in love with the daughter of the Duke named Salvia. The story moves around their love, but in the end we find that Proteus marries Salvia. The importance of the play is this, that for the first time female was seen in cross-dressing on the stage narrated in the play. The Comedy of Error is the second important play by Shakespeare. Its plot moves around the mistaken identity. Many puns and comic scenes are present in the play, and this play is the shortest play of Shakespeare. Bollywood adapted this play for a movie, Angur. If you have not read the play, do watch this movie to get the whole idea of the play. The importance of this play lies in its unity of time. As Dr. Johnson remarked that you will not find unity of time and place in Shakespeare, but only unity of action. But in this play and The Tempest, we note that Shakespeare follows the unity of time same as classical playwrights did. Another important play of Shakespeare is Merry Wives of Windsor. This play is important because it has a character called Falstaff that is known as the most comic character of English drama. Falstaff is a fat knight. His comic representation can also be seen in earlier plays of Shakespeare like Henry IV Part 1 and Part 2. In these plays, he was a very enigmatic character. Queen Elizabeth loved this character of Falstaff and asked Shakespeare to write a play revolving around this character, and Shakespeare couldn't refuse her request and wrote this play. This play runs around two plots. The first plot is about conflict between Falstaff and two wives of Windsor. That is the name of a place. So Falstaff wants to seduce these wives, namely Mistress Page and Mistress Ford. Falstaff tries to make love to them, and in return they make tricks on him which make play quite comic. On the other hand, we have a story of Anne Page and three suitors. So three suitors are in relation with Anne Page. The interesting thing in the story is this, that Anne Page's mother likes one suitor, her father likes another, and Anne Page herself loves the third one, and in the end they both marry. The most quoted line of the play is, "Better 3 hours soon than a minute late." So these are some important plays of Shakespeare. There are many other important plays which we shall discuss in our next video as a second part of this video. Till then, take care, stay connected to Lutuf's Literary Club.